Alright legends, today's video is I want to see if this is going to mow all the way around without me having to push it. We'll see what happens. Alright legends, so firstly a big happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there doing a fantastic job. I hope we all celebrated, have a great day. So today's video is, you see those people put up the lawnmower and it goes around on its own around a pole and cuts the lawn? I want to see if that really works. I got my ifs and buts about it, but anyway, I've set the string up. I've just got to tie the bar down for the self-propelled, and we're going to see if it actually goes around and that pole doesn't fall over. Anyway guys, let's sit back and let the good times roll. Let's go.
Okay, that thing kind of works. Kind of. God, this may not always work. See, I told ya. You need to come to Among Us. Guys. Subscribe to Nathan Ronson. Guess what? It's now raining, guys. Okay.
That was crap. Alright guys, well, I don't know what I was doing wrong there or what was happening, but that was absolute rubbish. So whoever's doing these videos where the lawnmower's going around on its own, send me the links and tell me what you're doing, because somehow I don't know what I was doing there. Anyway, basically I'm saying it's a big from me. Thanks for watching, and as I always say guys, mow on, legends.